Welcome to the aptitude lecture videos. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss the continuation part of permutation combinations. Friends, this is the last lecture video on permutations. In coming lecture videos, I'll start with videos on combinations. We'll be finishing combinations. So combining permutation combination will be finished within 3 to 4 lecture videos. Friends, this is the last lecture video on permutations. So friends, please be focus on last 4 lecture videos which I have already completed. So now friends, today in this topic we are going to discuss very important, in which the students will be facing problems. Here is, friends, you may have seen with repetition of digits, without repetition of digits, with repetition of places, without repetition of places. All these are very important. This concept plays a major role in it might be whether in a probability it plays a major role. So what I suggest you to please watch the previous lecture videos and you follow this one, so that you can get a clear idea on this one. Friends, let me go through this concept. Friends, in the last 4 lecture videos we have seen seating arrangement, we have seen different concepts. In this concept we are going to discuss on repetition of duration with repetition of friends. See friends, let me go to the question. What is the question he asked? How many 4-digit numbers can be formed using the digits 9761 with repetition of digits, without repetition of digits? Friends, what is with repetition of digits? With repetition of digits, with repetition of digit means the digit can be repeated for n number of times. It can be repeated for n number of times. Nine, for example, what he asked a 4-digit number. Now I'll take 4 slots. I can replace 9999. I can replace 8888. A digit can be repeated n number of times with repetition of digits, but without repetition of digits means a digit cannot be repeated more than once. The digit cannot be repeated more than once. So let me go through this ones. First we'll discuss with repetition of digits. With repetition of digits. So friends, let me take how many digits he asked 4 digits. Now I'll be taking 4 slots. See, with repetition of digits, I already told you that we can repeat a digit in n number of ways. Right, and friends, I can repeat in n number of digits. So slot 1 is having how many chances? Here I can put 9, I can put 8, I can put 7, I can put 6, 1. Right, and how many chances it is having? It is having 5 chances, because 9, 8, 7, 6, 1. Into slot 2 is having how many chances? Let me assume that I use 9 here. What can be the next number? It can be also 9, it can be 8, it can be 7, it can be 6, 1, because with repetition of digits, now the digits can be repeated for a number of times. So it is also having 5 chances. So total how many chances? 5 power 4 ways. With repetition of digits, the digit can be used 5 power 5 ways. 5 power 4 ways. Like 5 power 4 means how many? 999 I can use, 9998 I can use, 9997 I can use, 8848 I can use, 4896 I can use. In n number of ways I can use like this. In 5 power 4 ways I can arrange this number by using with repetition. Right, no friends, with repetition very easy, because it is having same number of chances for every slot. You have seen in this exam, no, we are having same number of chance for every digit. Now let me go to the without repetition of digits. Friends, this is very important, very important. Please friends, focus on this one. See friends, without repetition of digits means what at all? A digit cannot be repeated more than once. It should not be repeated. See friends, I'm taking 4 slots. In first slot I can put any one of the digits out of these 5 digits. Right or no friends? Any one of the digits out of these 5 digits. Let me assume that I am taking 9 here. I'm assuming 9 here. So how many chances that slot 1 is having? It is having 5 chances. Now 9 should not be repeated without repetition of digits. I can keep 8, 7, 6, 1. Let me assume that I'm keeping 8. So it is having how many number of chances? 4 chances. So 9 gone, 8 gone. How many are there in 7, 6, 1? So this slot 3 is having how many chances? 3 chances. This slot 2 is having 2 chances. So 5 into 4 factorial ways. 5 into 4 factorial ways. How the digits can be formed? 9876, 9786, 9176. See, a digit is not repeated more than once here. See friends, So what I am telling, without repetition of digits is very very important, friends. Please focus on this one. If you haven't got the point, you just review the lecture. You'll get it. You'll get it, friends, because this is a basic example. Don't worry about this one. After watching this, you'll get a clarity. But coming problems are very important. You just focus on that. See, friends, next question is very very important. See, friends, how many 4-digit numbers can be formed using digits 98760 with repetition of digits, without repetition, friends? Friends, let me go through first with repetition of digits. With repetition of digits. With repetition of digits. See, friends, how many slots I should take now? 1, 2, 3, 4. I should take 4 slots now. I should take 4 slots now. See, friends, 98760. See, friends, if I put 0 here, is it a 4-digit number? If I keep 0, is it a 4-digit number? No, na. It is not a 4-digit number, na. So I should not keep 0 here. Means out of 5 digits, 0 should not be kept here. So the slot 1 is having how many chances? 9876 only. How many chances? It is having 4 chances. But I can keep 0 here, I can keep 0 here, I can keep 0 here. Means it is having how many chances? 5 chances. It is also having 5 chances. It is also having 5 chances. Right, friends, have you got this? So what are the number of ways? 5 into 5 cube ways. 4 into 5 cube ways. Got it, friends? See, friends, if we keep 0 in first slot, it will become a 3-digit number. Let me take 0987. Is it a 4-digit number or 3-digit number? 3-digit number, na. So that 0 should not be kept in slot 1. So that out of 5 numbers, 0 is removed for first slot. 0 is removed. So how many chances that slot 1 is having? It is having 4 digits, na. So it is having 4 chances now. So 4 into, and here 0 can be repeated. Here 0 can be kept. Here 0 can be kept, because 9807 is a 4-digit number. 9708 is a 4-digit number. 7809 is a 4-digit number. Right or no, friends? So in this manner, how many chances, how many ways can I repeat this digit? I can be repeated in 4 into 5 cube ways. Now, friends, let me go through without repetition. Without repetition, in the same way, I should take 4 slots, and very basic is 0 should not be come here now. If 0 comes here, it will become a 3-digit number. So how many chances it is having? It is having only 4 chances. Right now, friends. So out of these four, let me assume that I'm keeping 9 here. I'm keeping 9 here. Right or no, friends? So 8 is gone. How many digits are there now? Here without repetition, 9 should not be repeated here. So how many digits is having? 4 digits, 4 chances it is having. Let me assume that I kept 8 here. So 8 is gone. 8 is gone. How many digits are remaining? 760. I can keep here 3. I can keep here 2. So 4 into 4 factorial, which is nothing but 96 ways. Like 8970, 9870, 9876. So 96 ways the digit can be can be formed without repetition of digits. Friends, I think you get it. You got the concept. Now let me go through very very important question, friends. It is very very important, because here we get in a new concept is quadratic case. Friends, this is a great question. Just concentration. This is a great question. Here we'll be getting quadratic case. We'll be discussing what is quadratic case, and we'll go through it. Friends, let me solve this question. See, friends, what is the question is asking? How many 4-digit even numbers can be formed using the digits 98710 with repetition of digits, without repetition of digits? See, friends, is asking even numbers now. What is even number? It's extreme, because its last digit should be 0 or multiple of 2. 0 or multiple of 2. 2870 is an even number. 2872 is an even number. 2874 is an even number. 2876, 3878 is even number, because the last digit which is ending, the last digit is ending with 0, either with 0 or multiple of 2. Then only it is even number. 2873 is not an even number, because it is not ending with 0 or not a multiple of 2 now. So it is not a even number. So it is odd number now. So what is the condition? That in the last digit I should get either 0 or multiple of 2. Now let me solve this with repetition, without repetition. So what you asked, 4 digit number na? So 1 1 1 4 slots I'm taking. See friends, what are the even numbers in this case? What are the even numbers? 0 and 8 na? So 0 and 8 are even numbers. So if for this digit to be a even number, it should be having 0 or multiple of 2 na? So 0 and 8 are the chances only here, because if I keep only 0 or 8, then only it will be a even number. So the last digit is having how many chances? It is having 2 chances na? It is having 2 chances na? Right or not friends? It is having 2 chances na? So now let me go to the first slot. See friend, it should be a 4 digit number na? I should not keep 0 here, right or no? I should not keep 0 here. If I keep 0 here na, it will become a 3-digit number. So what, how many chances? That is having 4 chances. Here I can keep 9 8 7 1 0, so it is having 5 chances. It is also having 5 chances na? Right or no friends? So 4 into 5 20, 20 into 10 200 ways. 200 ways. In how, in what is the in 200 ways, what is 9980 9908 89008 89 89 8970, because ending with 08880, because it is a ending with 0 and a multiple of 2 na? So definitely it should be, it will be an even number. So in this way I can arrange these words in 200 ways. Now let me go through without repetition. Without repetition friends, let me, very important, and this is without repetition is very important. Please put concentration here. See friends, I should get 4 slots now. I should get 4 slots now. What is the condition here? It should be a 0 or multiple of 8. So 0 or 8 now. So it is having how many chances? It is having 2 chances now. Here 0 should not be repeated. So how many chances is it having? 4 chances now. Right or no? Right or no friends? Now let me assume that 8 used here. 8 used here. If I assume that 8 used here now, here we'll get colliding case. Here we'll be getting colliding case. See, if I use 8 here now, I should not use 8 here. Right or no? I should not use 8 here. If I use 0 here now, I should not use 0 here, and if we keep 0 here, it will become it is a 3-digit number. So this is what colliding case. 0 can be used here, 0 should not be used here. It's a positive condition. Using 0 here is a positive condition. Not using 0 is a negative condition. See, we'll be getting 2 conditions here. In this we'll be getting both positive and negative condition. Friends, don't think that this is the same case as with, this is the same case like without repetition. No friends, with repetition is different case. We'll be not getting any problems with repetition. We'll be not getting any problems with both positive and negative condition, because with repetition is it's different case. Don't compare this with repetition with without repetition. With repetition you might have tell that 0 8 is cannot be used here, 0 should not be, so that you'll be getting 4 chances, we'll be getting 2 chances, 5 into 5. But without repetition is a very different case. Without repetition is a very different case. So here we'll get a concept called colliding case. What is colliding case? So what is colliding case? Colliding case is nothing but whenever we'll get both positive and negative conditions in one case. We'll be getting both positive and negative conditions in one case now. So which is colliding case? Friends, we'll be discussing this after completion of 2 problems, so that you'll get a good idea on this one. Let me solve 2 problems which are very important friends, which are very important. After solving this, you are able to do that problem. You will be able to find the solution for this one. See friends, what is the question is asking? 5 boys A to A are to be selected in 5 chairs 3 to 5. In how many ways can this be done if boy A wants to sit in C1 or C2 and boy B don't want to sit in C2 or C3? Let me assume that 5 boys is A, B, C, D, E. Chase how many C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. What is the positive condition here, friends? What is the positive condition here? A sitting C1 or C2. What is the negative condition? B don't want to sit in C2 or C3. See friends, here C2 is common now. Both positive and negative condition is dealing with both C2. So here we'll be getting concept colliding case. In the last lecture, in the last sum also we have seen colliding case. Now also we'll be going to see colliding case because positive condition is having the digit C2. Negative condition is also having digit C2. If same digit comes in both positive and negative, then we'll go for colliding case. I have already told you in the previous problem. Right enough. And so how can I arrange? Let me take 5 chairs. Let me assume that boy sat in C1. Boy A sat in C1. So A is sitting here. If A sits in C1, na, right enough, friends. B can sit in. If A sit in C1, B will not sit in C2 and C3. So he can sit in C4 and C5 now. So B is having how many chances? B is having how many chances? 2 chances. That is C4 and C5. If not, if A sit in C2, let me assume that A sit in C2. If A sit in C2, boy B can sit in C1, C4, C5 now. So boy is having how many chances now here? C1, C4, C5. So how many chances is having now? 3 ways now. But here he is having only 2 ways now. Friends, are you able to understand? See friends, there is a positive condition that A can sit in C1 or C2. B don't want to sit on C2 or C3. Let me assume that A sat in C1. A sat in C1. If A sits in C1, B should not sit in C2 or C3. So how many chances is having C4 and C5? Only 2 ways. If A sit in C2, B should not sit in C2 and C3. So D is having how many chances? B is having how many chances? B can sit in either C1 or C4, C5 is having 3 ways now. So based on choice of A, the chance of B will change. Right or no, friends? Depending on A, the chance of B will change. So friends, what I suggest you to this, we'll be having 2 cases now. Right or no? If boy A sits in C1, B chances are changing. If A sits in C2, B chances are changing. So let me take case. Friends, you might have take a let me assume that case 1, case 2. What is case 1 and case 2? Friends, you might ask me that how we are taking only 2 cases. Friends, how many positive conditions I said, that many cases I should take, friends. That many conditions I should take. See, you're having positive condition, having how many cases? 2 cases in C1 or C2. So that I'm taking C1. I'm taking case 1 and case 2. So 5 slots now. So 5 slots. Let me assume that A sat in C1. If A sat in C1, B is having how many chances? 2 chances now. Right or no? He is having 3 chances, he is having 2 chances, he is having 1 chances, which is nothing but 2 into 3 factorial ways. Friends, are you able to catch this? See friends, I'm having 5 chairs. Let me assume that A sat in C1. If A sits in C1, B is having how many chances? Only 2 chances now. So B is having how many chances? Only 2 chances. Now C is having how many chances? Already out of 5 chances, 2 chances are over now. 2 chances are over now. So he is having 3 chances, 2 chances, 1 chance. So how many chance? How many ways? 2 into 3 factorial ways. Now come to case 2. Let me assume that A sat in C2. If A sat in C2, now B can sit in C1, C4, C5. So how many chances is having? 3 chances now. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A sat in C2. He is having only 1 chance. B is having 3 chance. Right or no, friends? Here also is having 3 chance, 2 chance, 1 chance. So which is nothing but 3 into 3 factorial. Now add this, friends. Add this. What will get? 3 factorial is common. 2 plus 3, which is nothing but 5 into 3 factorial ways. This is the answer. 5 into 3 factorial ways. Friends, Did you get concept? Right or no, friends? He's having only 5 into 3 factor ways. Now let me go through. Friends, I suggest, I request you to do this, because this is the same question what we have discussed here. So I request you to do this video. I'll post the answer in the coming lecture video. Friends, now go to this here, because here we are having both 0 and 8 na. So it's having only positive condition, negative condition, right or no, friends? So let me go to the positive. What is positive? Let me assume that positive condition S4 can be 0, right? What is negative condition? S1 slot 1. S4 means slot 4. S1 is slot 1. Slot 1 should not have 0. Let me assume that case 1. S4 0. Slot 4 is 0. Let me take this case 2. S4 is 0. So 4-digit number na. So let me assume that 0 here. So how many chances it is having? Only one chance, right or no, friends? It is having how many chances? 4 chances, because 0 should not be repeated here na. Here it is having how many chances? Out of 5, 4 gone. So 3 into 2 into 1, which is nothing but 4 factorial. Now let me go to the case 2, which is nothing but slot 4 is 8. Slot 4 8 means here 8. Let me assume that I kept here. How many chances it is having? It is having only 2 chances now. It is having only 1 chance now. So here 8 should not be repeated, because 8 already repeated. 8 should not be repeated. 0 also should not come here. In S1 we should not get 8 and 0, because it is a condition without repetition now. So how many chances it is having? Only it is having 3 chances. It is having 3 chances. It is having 2 chances within nothing but 3 into 3 factorial. So combination of what is this? 4 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial. What is that? 24 plus 3 to 6, 6 is 18, which is nothing but 42 ways. Friends, are you clear with concept? Friends, if you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box. Definitely I'll teach once again, because it's very difficult. Not a difficult, but you should put some concentration on this type of questions to solve. Quadratic case is very, very important, friends. So please put some concentration and do more questions. If you have any doubt, please put it in the comment box. I'll do it. Friends, with this I completed permutations. In the coming lecture videos I'll be discussing this problem, and I'll be going on to solve combinations. Combinations will be finished within 3 to 4 lecture videos. Then after I'll be starting probability. Friends, please follow the lecture videos. This is very humble request from me, because it's very useful. I think you might have not seen these type of lecture videos anywhere. It's very, very useful, friends. Please use it. You'll be having more chances to do the sum in a short span of time. Thank you, friends. Thank you.